Welcome back to MSN Construction YouTube channel. In today's session we will consider about setting up electrical work for a newly constructing house. Setting up electrical work in a newly constructed house involves careful planning, precise execution, and adherence to safety standards and local building codes. Here's a detailed guide to help you through the process. 1. Planning and design. Blueprints. Collaborate with an architect or electrical engineer to create detailed blueprints. This should include the layout for outlets, switches, lighting fixtures, and major appliances. Load calculation. Determine the electrical load requirements for your house to ensure the system can handle the demand. Permits. Obtain necessary permits from local authorities to ensure all work complies with local electrical codes. 2. Main electrical service. Service entry. Determine whether your house will have an overhead or underground service entry. This involves connecting your house to the utility company's power grid. Meter and main panel. Install the electrical meter and the main service panel breaker box. Ensure the main panel is appropriately rated for the expected load. 3. Wiring materials. Wire types. Choose the right type of wires, e.g., NMB, THHN, based on the application and local code requirements. Circuit breakers. Select circuit breakers that match the load requirements of each circuit. 4. Rough-in electrical work. Running cables. Run electrical cables from the main panel to various parts of the house. This includes wiring for outlets, switches, lighting, and appliances. Outlet and switch boxes. Install electrical boxes for outlets, switches, and light fixtures. Ensure boxes are securely mounted and appropriately rated. Circuit segregation. Separate circuits for different areas and appliances to distribute the load and prevent overloading. 5. Grounding and bonding. Grounding. Install grounding rods and ensure the electrical system is properly grounded to prevent electrical shocks. Bonding. Bond all metal components, such as water pipes and HVAC systems, to the grounding system. 6. Installation of fixtures and devices. Outlets and switches. Install outlets and switches in the pre-installed boxes. Ensure they are securely fastened and wired correctly. Light fixtures. Install lighting fixtures according to the design plan, ensuring proper support and connection. Appliances. Connect major appliances to their dedicated circuits. 7. Testing. Continuity and resistance testing. Use a multimeter to check for continuity and resistance in the wiring. Load testing. Test each circuit to ensure it can handle the expected load without tripping the breakers. Safety inspection. Inspect all connections, ensuring there are no loose wires or potential hazards. 8. Final inspections. Professional inspection. Have the electrical system inspected by a licensed electrician to ensure it meets all safety and code requirements. Municipal inspection. Schedule an inspection with local authorities for final approval. 9. Finishing. Cover plates. Install cover plates on all outlets and switches. Labeling. Label the circuit breakers in the main panel for easy identification of circuits. 10. Maintenance plan. Documentation. Keep detailed records of the electrical layout and circuit design. Regular checks. Schedule regular maintenance checks to ensure the system remains in good working order. Tools and materials needed. Electrical cables and wires. Circuit breakers. Electrical boxes, outlet, switch, and junction boxes. Outlets, switches, and light fixtures. Grounding rods and bonding materials. Wire strippers, cutters, and crimpers. Multimeter and continuity tester. Screwdrivers and pliers. Conduit if required by code. Tips. Professional help. Consider hiring a licensed electrician for complex tasks to ensure quality and compliance with local codes. Safety first. Always prioritize safety by turning off power at the main panel before working on any electrical component. Quality materials. Use high-quality materials to avoid future problems and ensure a long-lasting electrical system. By following these steps, you can ensure a safe and efficient electrical installation in your new home, providing reliable power for years to come. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more upcoming new video sessions. Have a nice day.